Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix camera quality on your Snapchat. If you are a daily user for Snapchat and you love taking those selfies and videos from Snapchat filters, but you are having an issue with your Snapchat camera since it is not being able to provide you with the finest quality of videos and photos, then simply keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you're having issues with your Snapchat camera quality, then the first thing to do is to check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi or cellular data, and once connected, tap open your Snapchat. Sometimes your internet connection might affect how the camera works while operating Snapchat. If you're connected to a strong internet but still you're not being able to use that camera to its finest quality, then the next thing to do is to restart your Snapchat app. Close your Snapchat application or any other application that is running on your background and tap open your Snapchat again and see if that works. If you try closing and reopening your Snapchat application again, this will be able to refresh the app and get things running smoothly back again. The next thing to do is to check your Snapchat updates. Go to your Play Store from your Android device and tap on the search box at the top. Type Snapchat into the search box and search. If you see an update button popping up right next to Snapchat, it means your Snapchat application needs an update. Tap the update button and download the latest version of Snapchat. And once you have it, open it up and see if that fixed your issue. But instead of seeing an update button, you are seeing an open button. That means your application is up to date and the application update is not an issue here. Simply go ahead and restart your Android device if nothing else works out by pressing the power button and tapping on restart. Once you restart your system, go back to your Snapchat app. This can sometimes help your apps run better. If you're still not being able to solve the issue, then the next thing to do is to simply press hold your Snapchat app from the app drawer and tap on uninstall. Confirm your uninstallation process by tapping on OK in the pop-up, and once you uninstall the application from your system, try downloading it back again. Once you reinstall the app, go back to Snapchat, log into your application with your credentials, and you should be able to solve the issue. Those were some of the fixes. Whenever you are not being able to use your camera quality of Snapchat to its fullest, I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.